Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car EV charger in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car EV chargers to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is Type 2 Portable EV Charger. Specifications: brand name, Andaic. Voltage, 110 volts to 250 volts. Current, 6A8A10A13A16A. Material, SAEJ1772/IEC62196. Length, 4 meters. Charger type, Mode 2 EV chargers. Power, max 3.6 kW. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is 11 kW 16A 3-phase electric car charger. Specifications: cable length, total 10 meters or 5 meters. IP rating, IP54. Voltage, 110 volts to 480 volts AC. Current, 16A 13A 10A 8A adjustable. Power, 11 kW. Phase, 3-phase. Color, black charger/red plug. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, EVSE 22 kW 32A 3-phase Type 2 Portable EV Charger. Specifications: brand name, EVSE. Cable length, 5 meters. IP rating, IP66. Voltage, 380 volts. Current, 32A. Material, copper alloy, silver plating. Weight, 4.6 kilograms. Height, 11 centimeters. Width, 38 centimeters. Length, 38 centimeters. Charger type, portable charger. Power, 22 kW. Origin, mainland China. The item number 2 is 32A Loader Fast EV Charger. Specifications: brand name, Andaic. IP rating, IP65. Voltage, 110 volts to 220 volts. Current, 10A16A2824A32A. Weight, 3.5 kilograms. Length, 5 meters. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have EVSE 11 kW 16A 3-phase Type 2 Portable EV Charger. Specifications: brand name, EVSE. Cable length, 5. IP rating, IP66. Voltage, 380 volts. Current, 16A. Material, copper alloy, silver plating. Weight, 3 kilograms. Height, 8 centimeters. Width, 38. Length, 38 centimeters. Power, 11 kW. Number of phases, 3-phase.